Ever wonder how epic fails can lead to cutting-edge insights? Welcome to Iron Innovating, where we unravel the chaos and genius behind engineering disasters with a deep dive into autonomous drones. Stay tuned for 13 surprising lessons that reshaped our flight paths. Did you know some drones were initially trained using video game technology to improve navigation algorithms, highlighting the significance of simulations before real-world deployment? The Hindenburg disaster taught us the perils of hydrogen as a lifting gas, leading to a shift towards helium, dramatically altering airship safety design. In 2013, a drone's crash into Seattle's Space Needle unveiled critical weaknesses in urban drone navigation systems, prompting significant regulatory and technological advancements. Would you believe the Titanic's hull was held together by rivets made brittle by low temperatures, drastically influencing modern material science and engineering? How about the fact that the collapse of the Tacoma Narrows Bridge in 1940 was a dance of physics, bringing major changes to wind tunnel testing and aerodynamics in bridge design? When autonomous drones disrupted airport operations at Gatwick in 2018, it underscored the urgent need for robust anti-drone defenses and airspace management protocols. The 1986 Chernobyl disaster reshaped nuclear engineering with stricter control systems and more robust safety designs aimed at preventing operator errors. Challenger's tragic explosion in 1986 was a wake-up call for NASA, emphasizing rigorous checks on component integrity, like O-ring resilience in cold conditions. In 1979, 3 Mile Island's partial meltdown pushed engineers to innovate real-time monitoring systems and fail-safe mechanisms for nuclear reactors. Would you believe the dual collapses of the Quebec Bridge killed over 80 workers and resulted in enhanced engineering scrutiny, especially regarding load calculations? The Costa Concordia shipwreck in 2012 highlighted flaws in emergency protocols and ship design, leading to safer cruise ship designs with improved evacuation processes. A drone's unintended flyover at the White House in 2015 exposed serious gaps in protected airspace security, sparking a wave of innovations in geo-fencing technology. Fukushima's meltdown emphasized redundancy. New reactor designs now focus on passive safety features that operate without human intervention or external power. Unlock more engineering wonders. Like and subscribe to stay innovatively wired with Iron Innovating.